Alright, babies. You know what time it is? It's time to go home. You excited? Hi, Evan. You excited? Yeah. Hi. Hello, Lydia. What did you find to suck on there? Is that a monkey? Do you have his ear? Oh, yeah, that's nice. Evan, maybe you should suck on the monkey ear, huh? Yeah. Oh, here. Oh, Daddy will be back soon. You're gonna go on your first car ride. Are you excited? Yeah. Not really, huh? You don't like it in the car seats. Oh, we'll get to go soon. We'll see you at home.